woke up feeling stiff, like your body's lagging behind your goals? Some mornings, it's not motivation you're lacking, it's mobility. Let's shift that in the next 5 minutes. Let's hit the mat. Start by laying face down. Place your hands under your shoulders, elbows tucked in. Press gently into your palms to lift your chest up while keeping your hips grounded. This isn't just a back bend, it's a message to your nervous system that today we rise with strength and not strain. You might feel stress across your abdomen or back. That's your body waking up. I promise this one move can reset your spine and unlock that groggy tension that lingers all morning. Beginners, keep your elbows bent and don't force the lift. Advanced stretches, straighten the arms and open the heart a little more. Here's a quick challenge. Hold this position for 5 more seconds and take one full breath from your belly, not your chest. That just realigns your spine. Now let's stretch from head to heel. From Cobra, press back through your hands, tuck your toes and lift your hips high toward the sky. You're aiming for an inverted V shape. Paddle your heels slowly if they don't touch the ground. This pose isn't just iconic, it's foundational. I promise it lengthens your hamstrings, opens your shoulders, decompresses your spine, and lengthens your arms all at once. Beginners, keep a soft bend in the knees. Advanced stretches, try holding still and actively pressing the floor away. Here's a surprising fact. This position actually calms your nervous system while energizing your body. Feel that tremble in your calves or wrists? That's activation. Five more seconds right here. Let's drop into the hips and take control. Step your feet outside shoulder width and drop into a deep squat. Elbows inside the knees, chest lifted, hips as low as you can go. This move might feel primal, and that's the point. I promise this posture unlocks your inner mobility, improves hip range, and re-teaches your body how to ground itself. Beginners, support yourself with your hands on the floor. Advanced stretches, try rocking gently side to side. Feel a stretch deep in the hips. That's your foundation shifting. Hold it. 5 more seconds. That just opened your base. Now let's flow with control. Step your right leg back and sink into a low lunge on the left side. Tuck your pelvis, lift your chest, and press gently through the front foot. Now shift back halfway, then forward again. Keep this gentle flow going with your breath. This isn't just stretch, it's preparation. I promise this resets your hip flexor, wakes up your glutes, and strengthens the pathway from lower body to core. Beginners, keep your hands on blocks or the floor. Advanced stretches, add a reach or twist toward the front leg. Here's a little challenge. One more flow, but slower this time. Feel every inch. Now let's match it on the other side. Step your left leg back, drop into your right side lunge. Feel the contrast. This side might be tighter. That's normal. Our bodies store tension unevenly, and this is your moment to even the score. Same flow, shift forward, breathe, shift back. I promise, this is more than movement. It's stability, strength, and surrender in one. Beginners, stay low, stay controlled. Advanced stretches, lift the arms or rotate through the spine as you flow. Can you hold the forward lunge for 5 more seconds? This is your final stretch. Make it count.